This is the way we follow by the instruction. It's like folding this, second, number 3, and 4, 5. Okay, so this is the folding. And our folding one is double folding. Like here. The first one and the second one, number 3, all are double folding. So you can see from the side, this is like fan, will be open easily, but this one will not. We stuck here, will not open. So during the cartooning machine, the leaflet installation, if we fold it this way, the leaflet will going up. If we fold this way, the leaflet can going down correctly. So we need the double folding leaflet.